What's going on, guys? Yes, you guessed it, it's another installment of Reading Mean Comments. Now, public service announcement, I want you guys to stay to the very end of the video because I have a super important announcement for you guys waiting at the end of this video. Not yet. So this time we're going to do something different. We're going to do a different video because last time we did the extreme herping video, and if you guys missed that, I'll leave those two videos at the end screen right in here and you can check that out. This time what we're going to be doing is the video, what is it called? Oh, Jordan, this is why you need to have a script. Herper's Dream. That's what it is. Yeah, this one right here, which this one has like what, 550 something? 550,000 views? Like, that's, yeah, kind of insane. I'm not going to put off any longer, let's go ahead and get into it, see what y'all got. Probably should already have this pulled up on my phone, but you'll live and you'll learn. Or in my case, you just live. Mark Green, you're up. You're going to be a jerk. Tap, tap, tap. Huh? Tap, tap. Yeah, no wonder he bit you. Yeah, alright, I get it. Alright, I enticed the snake. I know I did. Looking back on it and my earlier editing skills, I wish I had edited that a little bit different because I just opened a wide door for you guys to just have at it, and you did. Mallory Roblox. You guys need to come up with simpler names. Good lord, what's wrong with you? Dude! Hold the snake by its head gently so it can't bite you. No. No. I'm not gonna do it. Not a venomous snake. If it was a venomous snake, yeah, I would probably grab him by the head. Not a venomous snake, what's the point? I don't know what this is at all, but I can't even say the name. But I'm gonna assume that it's an angry, ooh, there's a question mark at the end. An angry question. To which I have no answer for. Gary Basher. Dumbass. Was it that 70s show? You call a snake a jerk, but you're enticing it to bite you while filming. Grow up. Yes, northerns are very bitey, but you did nothing to responsibly handle it. I'm sorry, I'm just learning how to read. So bear with me. It's a process we're going to get through together. Yes, I'm aware that I enticed it. Listen, Gary, if you already watched the previous comment, I already touched on that. So, come on, keep up the pace. Oliver Hodges, there's this really cool invention that came out years and years ago. It protects the hands specifically. It's called gloves. Yeah, try wearing gloves in the middle of May or June or whenever that video was shot. Why would I wear gloves? You guys are more like going on about me getting bit than I was. Like, I took it like a man. You guys are taking it like a bunch of little girls and you're behind a computer screen. Oh, I'm sorry. You can dish it out, but you can't take it. Gotcha. Sorry. I'll try to refrain myself. I'll be nice. Croaky. Boar. You pissed this. God, you guys. Seriously? You pissed the first snake off even more by putting your hand near its head. Pay attention to this. By putting your hand near its head, grab a snake firmly behind its head, but don't squeeze, to keep it from biting you. So I enticed the snake by putting my hand near its head, but you're wanting me to put my hand near its head in order to prevent it from biting me. Yep, nope, does make sense to me. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this installment of Reading Mean Comments. Herper's Dream. Might be doing a part 2. Not too sure. But now for the very, very special announcement. Oh! God! Yeah. Alright guys, well, I reckon we'll see you all next week. Or next time whenever we decide to do this video. I have no idea. He's the one who does all this stuff. He asked me to come along, so I figured it would. You're a dick.